Hello friends, in this video, let's talk about the importance of the slave cylinder. Whenever we do any clutch plate assembly replacement, it is recommended to replace the slave cylinder as well. Else, you might face hardness in gear shifting. Recently, I had done the clutch plate assembly replacement. However, we did not replace the slave cylinder. After a continuous drive of around 1 hour, I started facing difficulty in gear shifting. I was facing hardness problem in shifting the gear. So this was mainly due to the slave cylinder. So this is how the slave cylinder looks for Grand i10 diesel vehicle. So now we are going to replace it with the new one. This is how the slave cylinder looks, and it is compatible for all Hyundai and Kia vehicles, and the cost of this is around 3693 rupees. In addition to this, we also need a brake fluid while replacing this slave cylinder, and it costs around 160 rupees. And this is how the new slave cylinder looks. And now the technician is trying to remove the old slave cylinder. If you replace this in showroom, they will put a labor charge of around 450 rupees. So on parts you will not get any discounts actually. So only in the season times you might get 10% offer from Hyundai. Overall cost for replacing the slave cylinder assembly in showroom would be around 4500 rupees. Now we have successfully removed the old slave cylinder. This is how it looks. So now once we install the new slave cylinder, as a last step we need to remove the air present in the new slave cylinder. So for this we need to inject the brake fluid through this pipe so that it removes all the air, and with this it will make your journey smoother so that you will not face any difficulty in shifting the gear in long run. Trust me, once I install a new slave cylinder, I have driven for around 1000 kilometers. It is very smooth. I hope you guys found this video very useful. Thanks for watching.